I started my journey of entrepreneurship at LUMS in 2018, where I started EdtechWorx, which is an education technology company. So the whole idea was to disrupt education industry in Pakistan. We are actually a marketplace for workshops. We are launching workshops on Amazon. We are launching on workshops on graphic designing, web page development. We are also launching workshops on business management programs. Although online place is developing in Pakistan, but it's still at the nascent stage. So it will take its time. So this is one of the challenges that I face, that the market for online students or online participants is quite less. I have a small team of 5 people who execute my strategy. So they do the tactical job and I do the strategic job for my company. We have just launched Amazon Virtual Assistant program, and we are getting registrations from Kabul, Tajikistan, UAE, Dubai, which means that we can capture that market as well. So in future, we will definitely, once we will solidify our position in Pakistan, we will definitely go from Middle East market and Central Asian market. When you are an entrepreneur, you don't have a life-work balance. You are working literally 24 hours. I believe that there are 3 P's, and I strongly believe in those. So one is the patience. We have to be very patient about our startups. The second is passion. If you don't have a passion, you cannot drive your startup, so you need to have this passion. And the third one is perseverance. So whatever challenges you will face, you have to keep yourself persistent about your startup. The most exciting thing is that you are working towards your dream, and that really excites me. I see EdtechWorx to be a well-known marketplace for workshops. So if you need to do workshop in any subject area, in any skill area, then EdtechWorx is a place to go.